Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert a video clip between clips. So as you can see, I have two video clips here and I want to insert the third one. So the third video clip that I want to insert is this video clip here. Now the issue is I want this video clip to be the second one. So I'll go ahead and add this video clip that I want to insert onto the timeline. So if you want it to be inserted here, just go ahead and move it to where you want it to be and it will join the other. However, I want to insert this video clip between these two clips so that it comes second. As you can see, this is the first, the second, and the third. So I want these to interchange. So to insert this video clip between the two ways you can do it. First, you can decide to move this so that we have enough space, and then go ahead and replace this with this video clip and then adjust them. That is one way. However, there is another way which I find to be the best way, is to make sure that you turn on ripple. There's a ripple button. So if you turn this ripple button while this is at its position, you can just now go ahead and move it to the position you want. And if you leave it, it will completely replace the other video clip and exchange positions. Now you can see it has occupied the second position. Now if you try to do that without this ripple on, it will go ahead and delete or override this clip and we shall lose this clip. So if I turn this off like this and then go ahead and try to replace, you can see I don't have the third clip. So always make sure that the ripple is turned on if you want to exchange positions of the clips. So let me undo this and go ahead and turn on the ripple. Now you can see if you turn on, now I can just simply exchange the position as easy as that. Great. So that is one of the ways you can use insert clips within clips. Now there is another way we can also use to do the same, and that is adding another video track. So if I go ahead and add a video track, you can add a video track by simply just right clicking on top of this track here and then choose track operations, and under it choose add video track. So if I add video track, I can go ahead and move this on top here like that, drag it so as to create the space. And then I can go ahead and move this now clip that we want to insert between the other clip on the second track. So to insert it between these two, I can now move this and then go ahead and add this video clip here and then adjust this to the end. And here we go. I have also added this video clip between clips. So this one will override anything that is below it. As you can see, if we play this video clip, they will transition to one clip to the other simultaneously. However, should this be here or should I fail to move this, you can see now it will go ahead and override the video clip that is below it. So the one that will be shown will be the one that is above. If you want all of them to be shown, make sure now this takes the next position after the clip that we have just inserted. So that's how you insert video clips between clips in Shotcut. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.